Hey guys, what's up? Wagwan, it's your girl Anik, and in today's video, I will be doing a very simple and easy protective hairstyle. Alright, so if you want to see the style that I accomplish, guys, just follow along for all the instructions that I'll be providing, alright? First thing I'm going to do is to part the front section of my hair into two equal parts. So it's gonna be kind of uneven, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about because your girl is not so big on the parting at times, especially when I'm parting my own hair. But like I said, I'm gonna put two equal parts at the front. So one section is going to be on the left, and then another section is also going to be on the right. And then as you can see, I'm just putting each section away by putting it in a big plait. As I go along, I like to oil my scalp, and I'm also putting the back section of my hair away so that it doesn't interfere with the front. Alright, so the next step is to braid or cornrow both sides of my hair at the front. But before I do so, to give it a neat look, I like to, always apply some eco gel or hair wax. Alright, so as you can see, I'm braiding the left section of my hair. So now that I've braided the left section of my hair, I am just plaiting out the end. However, I did not plait the end right out because as you can see right there, I am adding some hair extension. And of course, the hair extension that I'm using is called the Marley hair. You don't have to use a Marley hair, of course. You could use Afro Kinky or just use something that looks, similar to your natural hair texture. Now I am repeating the same steps for the right section of my hair as I did before. I will be fixing the back section of my hair. I will be applying some gel as the base, then I'm going to go in with my hair wax, I'm going to brush it and all the good stuff. However, as the video plays out, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Alrighty? As you can see, I did not put the braided hair while I was doing the back. However, now that the back is done, as you can see there, I am just taking each strands of braided hair and I'm just wrapping it around the back section. I'm just tying my hair with a scarf right there, and then in the meantime I am going to be moussing this old afro ponytail of mine, and then I'm just going to take off the scarf and attach it to the back section of my hair and just work my fingers through it, yada yada yada. I am attaching some hair ornaments to my hair, and a key thing to note is that for one of the hair ornaments, I put it exactly where I would have, attached the Marley hair extension to my natural hair. So this is the finished look, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and support a girl, okay? Support a girl! But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and catch you in my next one. Bye!